We have all wanted a hosting or web design service sometime in our lives. It is imperative you use one that has clear guidelines and specifications. Bluehost and Hostinger are among the most extensive web hosting services that power millions of websites and domains throughout the internet. Hi, Konstantin Obraja here, founder of Cashflow X Files channel. I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 2 years by now, and the first challenge when I started this business was to find a good hosting platform. By the way, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified every time I upload new videos like this. In this video, we will give a detailed and thorough review on the support, ease of use, features, performance, and many other relevant points of comparison of both web hosting and web design services. Why Bluehost? Outstanding support, speed, and flexibility. Founded in 2003 and owned by the Endurance International Group, Bluehost hosts over 2 million domains. Why Hostinger? Faster, stronger, dedicated. Founded in 2004, Hostinger collectively has 29 million users. Bluehost vs Hostinger. Features recommended by WordPress. Both offer easy WordPress staging sites and one-click WordPress installation. Fully customizable websites with already designed templates. Hostinger and Bluehost both offer customizable websites. You do not have to code a website yourself. Built-in security. Features such as spam bots and spam experts guard your website. To mention the weekly and daily backups, depending on your plan, are a lifesaver when you need to retrieve information. Fast web pages. One of your top considerations when choosing a web host is, of course, the reliability and performance. We have to be sincere. Hostinger has Cloudflare service that catches static traffic and makes it faster than Bluehost. The Hostinger response time is 70 items, the fastest loading speed. This puts Bluehost to shame with the 699 items. The server time on Hostinger leaves Bluehost lagging at least 8 times behind. Shared hosting. The shared hosting plans of Bluehost include free SSL certificates and domains, unlimited storage and websites, unlimited bandwidth, and $200 marketing credits with Google Ads. Pay upfront options. Bluehost offers packages for $1,224 and 6 months, while Hostinger provides packages for 112, 24, and 48 months respectively. Upsells, SiteLock, CodeGuard, and SEO tools on Bluehost, and daily backups, Cloudflare protection, and SEO tools on Hostinger. Payment method. Bluehost supports payment via PayPal and credit card. Hostinger supports payment via PayPal, credit card, and Bitcoin. Hostinger has the following: shared hosting, free domains and site migration, daily backup, free SSL certificate, unlimited bandwidth, 99.9% uptime guarantee. Dedicated hosting by Bluehost only. This essentially means your website will have its own server. This type of plan can offer you faster speed and lower cost. Bluehost support options. There are 3 main support options on Bluehost. They include live chat with immediate response times and 24/7 availability. Searchable knowledge base with lots of tutorials and how-to videos. Phone support where you can call customer care and speak to someone of the support team. Hostinger support options. Just like Bluehost, there are also 3 main support options on Hostinger, and they are live chat, which is real-time communication, searchable knowledge base, email support. Hostinger provides an email where you can contact them with any queries. It is a ticketed system where you submit your question or query, and an agent will contact you. Final thought. After a keen analysis of the uses of both Bluehost and Hostinger, we have to settle for which we like best. Not an easy task, as they are both excellent hosting and web design services, and are both trusted names in the industry. So here is what we think. If you're looking for an overall value, reliability, and of course features, then we would recommend Hostinger. If you have a small business, website, or a personal blog, then Hostinger is the way to go. You should, however, stick to their shared options because this is what Hostinger is best known for. If you are price sensitive, who isn't sometimes, then Hostinger is definitely the way to go. Not to mention, Hostinger takes your web security seriously, but on Bluehost, you have to pay extra. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I would love to hear from you in a comment below, and in the same time, please like and share my video. I run a campaign right now, so if you purchase any subscription using the links in description, I will offer you 3 special free training bonuses, so please follow the steps of description in order to get your bonuses.